Alright y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Today I'm doing something simple. I'm just going to make a frozen lemonade pie with just 3 ingredients. And this pie is so simple to make. I mean, I've never made it before, but we're going to try it. I'm actually going to try it 2 different ways. One with cream cheese and one without. So you get to see 2 different ways to make a pie. A lemonade icebox pie, frozen lemonade pie, have whatever you want to call it. But alright, here we go. 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Can you give me a little spoon? Make sure I get on it. Thank you. Very simple to make. I believe it's simple. Like I said, I have never made this before. Alright, frozen lemonade concentrate. And see if I can get that open. Hope y'all are doing alright on this beautiful Sunday evening. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, what you asking for, man, is just mix that up. Okay, so now that the frozen lemonade and condensed milk is mixed together, the only thing I'm going to do is fold in the whipped topping, the whipped cream. Y'all hear my little man? I'm just going to fold that in. Try to get that folded in real good. Kind of stir that up a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to make this pie 2 different ways. So if this doesn't turn out right, then I'm going to try another way. But I'll get this in here folded in real good. I think that's good. So now I have a 9-inch graham cracker crust, and you can also make your own graham cracker crust, but I didn't want to do that today. And you just want to put that in there. Ooh. So I have some left too. I also bought some little small mini graham cracker crust.
Creamy.
Okay. So now what I want to do, kind of smooth that around just a little bit. And I'm going to put this in the freezer and let that freeze. And when you serve it, you know, just take it out at least 30 minutes before you want to serve it. But this is going to go in the freezer until frozen. It is so simple to make. All right, and this is gonna go into the freezer. And we'll be back. All right, y'all, so y'all remember I said I was gonna try to make this pie 2 different ways. This one calls for cream cheese. So I'm going to add, I can open it, the cream cheese to the bowl. Just mix it up until soft. Okay. So I'm gonna mix this up until soft. And I let this cream cheese sit out room temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk. Make sure I get all of that. I'm going to add a half a cup of real lemon juice. I have some Cool Whip in the fridge I forgot to take out. Will you get it for me? I'm glad my husband is right here beside me. You see it? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Now I'm going to just add the Cool Whip. And the only difference is I'm adding Cool Whip. Cream cheese to it. And yellow food coloring to make it kind of yellow, lemony looking. You don't have to, but I thought I'd try it just to see how it does. And just mix that up. So now that that's done, I remember I told y'all I had these little bitty mini graham cracker crusts. I thought that is so cute. Really, really cute. So I'm gonna spoon some of that in here. Ooh, I think I kind of like this because the texture of it is thicker than the other one. Might have added a little too much, but maybe not. It's cute. You just add that in there. Kind of smooth it out. It's cute. Trying to make it pretty. And then the rest of it I'm just going to add to a regular size pie crust, graham cracker crust, 9-inch. I added a little too much. cute. Little minis. So with these, the other pie went into the freezer. These are going to sit, since I made it different, and I didn't add the food coloring. No. Anyway, these are gonna sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours until it sits, but it's real good. Okay. All right, we'll be back. All right, y'all. So I decided to use the mini Icebox lemonade Icebox pie, the one with the cream cheese. This one seems like it's set better than the other one. The other one is still in the freezer. It's not quite set yet, so I decided to just use this one, and it turned out really good. And all I did was just crumble up some graham crackers, sprinkle across, and garnish it with the lemon. It's so pretty. All right, and thank y'all. Please subscribe and like, and until next time, bye-bye.